Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss 8th class mathematics. Who are teaching or who are studying 8th class, they can understand easily if you listen my class completely without pause. And today 8th class chapter 1, rational numbers. So before rational numbers, we have to know about some basic topics. Actually, this is the rational numbers first chapter in this textbook. Like this pictures is there. That is a stationery shop. Someone, a number of pens, which cost each 5 rupees. Like that, they will ask. And how can you know about fractions? Like 22 by 5 is there, no? So that is called rational numbers. So before rational numbers, first we have to know, that is the basics, what is the numbers we have. Before rational numbers, we have to know some basics topics. That is the 8th class chapter 1, rational numbers. Introduction is, first we have to know that natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by capital N. Natural numbers starts from 1 to infinite numbers. Natural number starts from 1 to infinite numbers. So if we include 0 to natural numbers, that will be whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by capital W. Whole number starts from 0. From here we know that all natural numbers. From here we know that all natural numbers. So if the natural numbers, if we including 0, that called whole numbers. So natural numbers plus whole numbers, I have written here 0, and all natural numbers are called whole numbers, which is denoted by capital W. Now integers. Let's know about integers. Integers denoted by capital I or Z. So what is the integer numbers? All positive negative values, 0 and positive values, negative values, positive values and 0. Collection of these positive, negative and 0, these all numbers are called integers. What ma? Integers. Integers are denoted by Z or I. Next, rational numbers. Our chapter name is the rational numbers now. So after that we have to know about rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. Capital Q. Now all P by Q form numbers, or like a fraction. Fraction form is there now. That all called rational numbers. So now we can finalize that rational numbers. What is the meaning? What is the collection of rational numbers? Collection of rational numbers, that is the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and P by Q form numbers. These are all called rational numbers. Now we can write that natural numbers into a P by Q form. How can we write? Natural numbers also we can write in P by Q form. For example, 5 is a natural number, no? So we can write in P by Q form, that is a 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 1 equal to what is the number, ma? 5. So we can write all numbers, natural numbers is divided by 1, divided by 1, divided by 1, means that 1, 2, 3 only. So number will be not change. So that's why this is a P by Q form also is there, no? P is a numerator and Q is a denominator. Which fraction is have numerator, denominator, that is a fractions, fraction form is there, no? That is the rational numbers. So we can write all natural numbers will be in a P by Q form, and all numbers also we can write 1 by 0. All numbers means if we include 0, I said, no? So if we write 1 by 0, so 0 by 1 also 0 only. So this also fraction form and this also P by Q form. So we can consider that whole numbers also rational numbers. And next, integers. Integers, here for example minus 3 is there. Minus 3 also we can write minus 3 by 1 means minus 3 only, as it is number will become. And minus 2 by 1 means also minus 2 only. So that's why we can write these all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, or in p by q form. We can write these all numbers in a p by q form. So that's why these all numbers are called rational numbers. What? Rational numbers. So that's why I have written here in the diagram, like easily understand. After this diagram we can understand easily. So what is that? First, natural numbers only starts from 1 to infinite. Only starts from 1 to infinite. And all numbers, if we include 0, 1, 2, so on, up to infinite. These are all numbers. So in the all numbers, natural numbers is there. Okay. And the next, in a natural integers, negative values, positive values, 0. These are all called integers, means whole numbers and natural numbers and also negative values. These are all called integers. Now in a rational numbers, all negative values and positive values, 0, and p by q form numbers. For example 1 by 2, 3 by 2. These all numbers also p by q form, no? So these all are called rational numbers. Which ma? Rational numbers. Now finally we can consider that rational numbers means collection of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and p by q form numbers. These are all called rational numbers, which is denoted by q. Which is denoted by q. Now we know about what is the rational numbers. Now operations on rational numbers. Operations means what, ma? From starting first class onwards we are studying on operations only. That is operations means we have 4 operations is there. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are all 4 operations in the mathematics. Okay. And now operations on rational numbers. So if the rational numbers, how can we do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division? We have to know now. For example, addition of rational numbers. First we can take that addition of rational number. Addition how to do in a rational numbers we have to know now. So for example, this is a p by q form. No, rational number means p by q form. We can write natural numbers, whole numbers, we can take anything. But already we know that natural numbers addition, I means 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4. These are all addition we know, no? So that's why, and minus 3 plus 2, 5 minus 5 plus 3, that all addition we know. So that's why I am taking here p by q form numbers. Now p by q form means this is a numerator and this is a denominator, and here is a numerator and here is a denominator. So that's why I have taken all p by q form negative, some positive values and negative values also. So now how to do this one? Addition. Here positive rational number and this one is a negative rational number. Already we know that that is a plus into minus, what, ma? Plus into minus equal to minus. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. This box is very, very important. We have to know these. Plus into minus equal to minus. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Minus into minus equal to plus. How can we remember this? You have to remember like this. Plus into minus. If we find out at least one minus, that is a minus only. Plus into plus means plus only. All pluses is there, no? So that's why we will get plus only. Next, at least 1 minus I said, no? Minus into plus and plus into minus both are same. Minus only will be get. But here minus into minus means that is a plus we have to do. Now this is a symbols multiplication. Means plus symbol, minus symbol, how to do multiplication. This box is a very important. And here 9 by 10 I am writing here first fraction as it is. Now plus into minus, here bracket means in the mathematics into only. Plus into minus, minus I said, no? Now minus 13 divided by 18. Now here already you know that LCM, how to do LCM. And if you can't do LCM, you can take cross multiplication. This is only two fractions, no? So we can do cross multiplication. Here 9 into 18 divided by 10 into 18. You have to write same fraction here, but this opposite fraction denominator, what is there for that fraction, that number we have to do multiplication with the numerator and the denominator also. Minus 13 into opposite one. Now 13 into 10 divided by 18 into 10. Now this fraction as it is we written, no? Opposite fraction denominator what? 10. So for that we have to do multiplication with the numerator and denominator. Now what is the value? 18 nines are. If you don't know the tables also, you can write a simple multiplication. 9 eights are 72, 9 ones are 9 plus 7 16. Now 162 divided by 10 18s are 180 minus 13 tens are already we know that 130. 18 tens are 180. So now here we can write both the denominators are same. Both the denominators are same. So this is a like fractions. Now these two are like fractions. If it is a like fractions, we can do easily addition or subtraction, whatever it is. Now here 162 minus 130. 162 minus 130 what, ma? 162 minus 130. What? 2. 6 minus 3. 3. Now 32 divided by 180. Like this we have to do addition of rational numbers. Once again I am explaining here addition of rational numbers. This is a one of the fraction, positive fraction, and this is a negative fraction. Now here we have to do plus into minus, no? Plus into minus, what I said, plus into minus, minus 9 divided by 10 minus 13 divided by 18. Plus into minus, minus, no? So that's why I written here minus. Now here both the denominators are different. So that's why these both are unlike fractions. So unlike fractions, we can do addition or subtraction, whatever it is, we can't do easily. So that's why we have to equate the denominators first. Equate the denominators. And how to equate the denominators means first method is like LCM we have to do. Otherwise, if there are two fractions only is there, no? So we have to do directly cross multiplication like this. You will get both the denominators are same. So how to do cross multiplication? If you are taking this fraction, now opposite remaining fraction, denominator what? 18, no? So this denominator 18 we have to do multiplication with another fraction, numerator and denominator. So that's why 9 into 18 divided by 10 into 18. Minus is there, no? Write minus as it is. Now this fraction you are taking, no? Now remaining fraction denominator we have to take, and for that denominator we have to do multiplication with the remaining fraction. Now 13 into 10 divided by 18 into 10. Now here we have to do multiplication. 18 nines are 162. divided by 180. 10 18s are 180 minus 13 tens are 130 divided by 18 tens are 180. Now 180 both the denominators are same. Now this both are like fractions. So we have to do addition or subtraction easily. Now 180 here and we have to do subtraction. Now here minus symbol is there, subtraction. So 162 minus 130. Now 162 minus 130, that is a 32 divided by 180. If any cancellation there means we have to do cancellation. If we are not getting cancellation, you have to leave it. Now here you can get one doubt, that is a here addition. Ma'am said addition, but here ma'am is doing a subtraction. Why? You will get doubt. But that is a here we kept plus, no, that addition only. Now we kept plus, that is addition of two fractions. But here one one positive fraction and negative fraction. So that's why you are getting here minus, subtraction. So whatever it is, here you are doing addition. This is a common addition of two fractions, that is a one negative one positive, means you will get a automatically that is a subtraction only. Don't get confused. Okay now. And next here this is a 1 whole 3 by 5 plus 4 whole 2 by 7. Now this is a mixed fraction. What? Mixed fraction. First we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 5 ones are 5. Here we have to do into and here we have to do plus. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. What? 8 divided by 5. Write as it is. Now here plus is there, no? Write plus as it is. Now 4 sevens are here. 4 7 4 plus we have to do 7 into 4 28 plus 2 30 and divided by what is there? 7 is there, now we have to write 7. Now if you compare this here, this both the denominators are different. Both the denominators are different and both the fractions are positive fractions only. Now here plus we are doing, no, that is the addition of rational numbers, no. Now what I said, if we have two fractions we have to do cross multiplication, I said, no. Now 8 into 7 divided by 5 into 7 plus here 30 into what will be there? 5 divided by 7 into 5. Now what is the number? 8 sevens are 56. 5 sevens are 35 plus 35 are 150. Okay na? 3 5s are 15, 0. Right? Now 7 5s are 35. Now both the denominators are same. So that's why these both are like fractions. Now we have to do addition easily. 35 here will be and 56 plus 150. 56 plus 150, what is the number? 150 plus 50, 206. 206 divided by 35. This is the addition of rational numbers. Now we have to do subtraction. Now here I am taking here, this is a negative fraction and this is a negative fraction. Two negative fractions subtraction. How to do? Just for example, how to do rational numbers addition subtraction I am saying. Okay. This is not exercise sums. Just for understanding only I am saying. Now minus 7 by 16 minus 9 by 20. These both are negative fractions. How to do subtraction? We have to know now. Now solution, minus 7 by 16. Here minus into minus. I said already. Minus into minus plus. So plus we have to write, that is a minus into minus plus 9 by 20. Now these both are unlike fractions. Yeah. These both are unlike fractions. So that's why already I said that 7 into 20 divided by 16 into 20 plus 9 into 16. Now 20 into 16. Now do that multiplication easily. 12 7 27 are, otherwise 27 2s are, 7 2s are 14. Here 0 is there, 0 we have to do, and minus is there, minus we have to put here. And 16 2s are 32, 0. Next 16 9s are, if you don't know, do rough work, no problem. 9 6 are 54. 9 1s are 9 plus 5 14. Now 144 is a 6 16 9s are. Now 16 2s are 32 0. Now here both the denominators are same. We have to do addition or subtraction according to the numerator values. Now minus 140 plus 144. Now here 1 is a negative value, 1 is a positive value. We have to do addition or subtraction. Definitely we have to do subtraction only. Why? Because one negative, one positive means we have to do subtraction. In front of big number, what is the sign, symbol is there? We have to write that symbol in front of after subtraction. So 144 minus 140. What is the value? 4. Okay, now 4. So in front of big number, this is a 144 is a big number now. Big number plus is there now. So we have to write a plus only. If you write plus or if you not write plus, that is a positive value only. If you mention minus only, that is a negative value. If you not mention plus, means that is a always positive value only. If you get cancellation, you have to do. Otherwise, leave it. Now here we are getting cancellation. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32 0. Now 1 by 80 is our answer. Now this is a subtraction of rational number. Another one sum also I have written here. Solution minus 11 by 14. Here minus only is there, this is a positive value. So minus into plus, minus only. Minus into plus, minus only. So we have to write minus 21. Already I said that two fractions is there, no? That is 11 into 21 divided by 14 into 21 minus 1 into 14 divided by 21 into 14 equal to 11 into 21. How to do, ma? 21, 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22 plus. Otherwise, you can do 1, 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1, 3, 2. Okay. Now, 2, 31 minus 14, 21. 14 into 21. 1 fours are 4. 1 ones are 1. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. What is the number? 4, 9, 2. So, 2, 9, 4. What is the answer will be? 2, 9, 4. Minus 14 ones are 14, 294 as it is now. Now here both the denominators are equal. So, these both are like fractions. We can write, we can add it or subtraction it numerators easily. Now 231 minus 14. If we have two negative values, what we have to do? Two negative values means we have to do addition only. Two negative values we have means that is addition we have to do, but in front of that number we have to put a minus symbol. 231 and 14. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 plus 1, 4, 2. Now 245 divided by 295. This is our answer. Okay, now addition and subtraction is finished. Addition and subtraction is finished. Now multiplication of rational numbers, it is a very easy. Addition, subtraction means only we have to do cross multiplication or LCM. If it is a multiplication or division means just we have to do easily simplification, that is a numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That is a very simple. Now here this fraction is a positive fraction and this is a fraction negative fraction. So whatever it is that fractions we have to do in a multiplication, both the multiplication are there now. So in a multiplication we have to do numerator into numerator. I am writing here 2 into minus 5 divided by 3 into 7. So what is the number 2 into 5? 10. Here plus into minus, minus number. And 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21. This is our answer. Plus into plus only, na? Yeah, if you write plus or not writing anything, that is a positive value, I said, no? Yeah. And next come to this next solution. So now here this is a negative fraction and this is a positive, means this is a negative rational number, this is a positive rational numbers, but they are in a multiplication relationship. So that's why we have to do numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So here 10 into 14, 140. Here minus into plus, minus. Now 25 into 21, 25 into 21. 5 ones are 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10, means 1 carry 0, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5, that is the answer 5 2 5. And here 5 25. Otherwise you can do cancellation only. Here this is a one method. If you are getting cancellation you have to do. Otherwise another one method, 10 by 21 into 14 by 25. No, this is our question now. So you can do simplification here only. Denominator, numerator, any cancellation there means you have to do here only. Now here we are getting cancellation. This is a numerator, this is a denominator. So 5 2s are 10. 5 table it will be possible, no? 5 5s are 25. Next this is a 7 table is there, no? 7 2s are 10 14. 7 3s are 21. What is the remaining now here? Remaining values is a 2 into 2, 3 into 5. That is a 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. Now this answer we can write. This also we can do cancellation. It will be also getting this same answer only same. How to get? Once observe here. 2 7s are 14. Sorry, 7 table not possible. Now 5 table if you take, 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5 here, and 0 we are taking 2 digits now. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Next 7 table, 7 4s are 24, 7 1s are 7, here 3 is there, no? 7 35, no? 7 5s are 35. Now this also will be 4 by 15. If you get cancellation here, numerator denominator, you have to do there only simplification easily and you will get the correct answer. If you not understanding how to do cancellation means you have to do here directly multiplication, and if you are getting here any table it is possible, you have to do here at the last answer, do the cross do cancellation. Otherwise you can do here only and just to simplify it. This is a very easy actually. Now this is a multiplication. Multiplication means in a rational numbers how to do multiplication, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. No need to do LCM, no need to do cross multiplication like that. Just to numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. You have to remember this one. Many members are confusing here only. Okay, if they are giving multiplication also they are doing cross multiplication, and this is a wrong method. Just you have to do numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. If it is a multiplication or division. Just to addition or subtraction means only you have to do LCM or cross multiplication. Remember this one, very important. Now division of rational numbers. Now up to multiplication, can you understand? Yeah, okay. Now division of rational numbers. Now here is a division symbol is there. Now if you observe here, 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Now in the division symbol now, so already you know that reciprocal in a previous classes, reciprocal. So here how to do reciprocal I will explain now. Now this is a divided by symbol is there, no? So if you write into symbol instead of divided by, here reciprocal of 2 by 3. Now here 8 by 5 into, I am writing as it is. Reciprocal means numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator, numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. So here numerator is a 2, denominator is a 3. Now reverse we have to write 3 by 2. Now they are in a multiplication. No, multiplication means how to do, already we know that, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, simple. Now 8 into 3, 5 into 2. Now 8 into 3, 5 into 2, 8 3s are 24. Otherwise you can do cancellation here. 2 1s are 2. Numerator, denominator you have to do cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So next term here, any cancellation is there? Numerator, denominator? No cancellation. Now what is the remaining values? 4 into 3 divided by only 5. 5 into 1 means only 5. So what is the number? What is the rational number will be? 4 3s are 12, 5 1s are 5. Now this is the answer. So I am explaining again. If they given in a division, how to do? First this division fractions, this both are in a division, no? So first fraction we have to write as it is. Which fraction in front of division symbol is there, no? That fraction we have to do, write a reciprocal. Numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. Which fraction in front of division symbol is, that fraction only we have to change. No need to change first fraction. Which fraction in front of division symbol is there, that fraction we have to change. Okay ma? Understood now? Right. Now 2 by 3 we have to write a reciprocal of 2 by 3 now. That is a 3 by 2. Now both are in multiplication. Already we know that how to do multiplication, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So if it is possible, now we have to do cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. We have, when you are doing cancellation, you have to do with only numerator, denominator. Don't take numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator like that. Only numerator discounted, denominator. If you are taking numerator, do cancellation, denominator. Okay, understood now? Now I done here. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now what is the remaining values? 4 into 3, 5 into 1. Now 4 3s are 12 divided by 5. Okay na? This is a division. And one more sum also is there. If I explain this sum, you can understand easily. Now minus 5 by 9 divided by 4 by 3. Now this is a one negative fraction and this is a positive fraction. What I said, in front of which fraction is there the division symbol, we have to change that fraction only, reciprocal. Yeah. Now 5 by minus 5 by 9, here instead of division symbol we have to put a into, and this fraction reciprocal we have to write. Reciprocal means numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. 4 by 3 will be now 3 by 4. Okay now? Now here these both are in a multiplication. Minus 5 by 9, how to write up? Numerator into numerator, 3 by 4. Now minus 5 into 3 divided by 9 into 4. Now any cancellation is there? Numerator, denominator, numerator, anything we have to do cancellation. Any cancellation? Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, now while you are checking cancellation, you have to check the multiples. Which table multiples are there? Which table it is matching? You have to think. And next, what is the remaining values? Minus 5 into here already cancelled 3, no? So that's why 1 is there. Now 3 into 4. Now 5 in 1 is a 5. Now minus into plus minus. Next, divided by 3 4s are 12. Now this is our answer. You have to remember orally that is a addition. While you are doing addition, you have to do check once that is a like fraction or like fractions or unlike fractions. If it is a like fractions, we have to do addition easily the numerators, but if it is a unlike fractions, we have to equate by doing LCM or like this cross multiplication. Okay, now if it is addition means only, okay, after converting like fractions, we have to do addition easily numerators. And next, subtraction also. Addition, subtraction both will be same. Why? Because here denominators, unlike fractions, if they give means we have to do equate the denominators. Okay, while you are equate the denominators, you can choose that LCM method and cross multiplication method also. Okay, now only addition and subtraction you have to do cross multiplication or LCM. In the multiplication of rational numbers, you can do directly, easily, that is the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. No need to check this all LCM cross multiplication. Only addition symbol or minus symbol is there means you have to check that cross multiplication. In a multiplication of rational numbers means you don't do LCM or cross multiplication. Directly you have to do numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That is a multiplication of rational numbers. Now division of rational numbers, that you have to do change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, but in front of which fraction is there the division symbol, no, that fraction you have to change into reciprocal. Means numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. After getting in a multiplication form, you have to do numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. If any cancellation there means you have to do cancellation. Otherwise, no need to do cancellation. Directly write numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. This is a simplification. Okay, understood now? This we done. Now you can check any problem from textbook. If you want to do practice, here in a textbook, some page number 6 given. In a page number 6, here addition of rational numbers. These two sums addition I done here. From this only I have taken and I done. And next, this is a subtraction, and this is a multiplication. This all you can do while practicing. This two remaining two also you can do. Okay, now and here also do this is there. This is a division. Just to change the division symbol, write into and change the reciprocal. Means this fraction reciprocal we have to write. Here also do this, put here instead of more divided by into symbol, and reciprocal you have to write, and do cancellation anything means you have to do cancellation. This is a 4 operations on rational numbers, that is the addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, and multiplication, division. Okay, now if you practice this addition, subtraction, multiplication of a rational numbers, you can do easily that sums, fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Fractions, rational numbers both are almost same. So only addition, subtraction you have to do LCM, and multiplication and division you don't do LCM or cross multiplication. This is you have to remember. This is very important. Okay, next class we will know about properties. Some properties also is there. Here they given now properties of a rational numbers. Next class I will explain that properties. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe. If you want more videos, please comment. Please support me.